Why does your scanner show the P0763 engine code? What does it mean? P0763 is a diagnostic trouble code for Shift Solenoid C Electrical. This engine code indicates that there is a problems with the shift solenoid itself, wiring, or the transmission control module, TCM. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty shift solenoid, wiring problems, TCM issues, low transmission fluid, defective valve body. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It commonly occurs in various vehicles with automatic transmissions including Kia, Mazda, Lexus, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.